5 AI side hustles making people $10,000 per month. AI isn't just replacing jobs, it's creating new ones. And some people are making $10,000 a month with simple AI-powered side hustles. Today, I'll show you exactly what they are and how you can start one this week. Number 1. AI copywriting for businesses. Tools like ChatGPT and Jasper can help write ad copy, blog posts, and marketing emails in minutes. Businesses pay between $50 and $200 per piece. Start on freelance platforms like Fiverr or Upwork and scale from there. Number 2. AI video creation for brands. Platforms like Pictory and InVideo make it possible to create professional promo videos in hours, not weeks. Social media agencies and small businesses outsource this all the time. You can charge $300 to $1,000 per video. Number 3. AI voiceover and audiobooks. With 11 Labs or Murph, you can create realistic, human-like narrations. Use them for audiobooks, YouTube videos, or e-learning courses. Authors and companies pay hundreds of dollars for quality narration. Number 4. AI-generated art and prints tools like Midjourney and DALL-E can create unique designs you can sell on Etsy, Redbubble, or as stock images. No need to be an artist. AI handles the creative side. Number 5. AI-powered research and reports. AI can summarize market trends, scan industry news, and compile data into clear reports. Market analysts and consultants will pay $50 to $150 an hour for this service. These AI side hustles aren't just for tech experts. Anyone can start, scale, and cash in. Which one would you try first? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to Next Gen Finance for more smart money moves in the age of AI.